So peak.
You're locked out.
I'm gonna take the
He's puppy guarding. He's puppy guarding.
He's guarding it. He's guarding it. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. I'll give it 20 more seconds.
All right, yeah. I think our Uber's here.
Who there?
The guard.
Where's Jason? Huh?
Yeah.
It's him. What are you talking about?
Oh, go ask him about the other fridge.
Someone go steal another fridge.
Yeah. Can I get you guys to sign the check?
Oh, they want me to sign the check. I got banned. They just banned me.
Wait, he has backup. He has backup. He has backup.
He's just being a fool. I know.
I'm just being a little jerk off. I know.
Yeah, well, that's your age.
I know.
We're used to the age.
I know I'm a jackass, sir. You know what they call me? They call me Jack Doherty. That's how much of a jackass I am. I'm a fucking jerk, sir. You know what? Just because of that, I'm spending the charity money I'm supposed to give at Vegas. Just because of that. So now if I lose it, it's all over. Now no charity gets the money. It's going to a car. Ain't a bust down Cartier, sir. Should I move it back?
Oh, it's fine. We'll take care of it.
Holy shit, I'm on wanted level 3 right now.
Try to stay in the scene.
Dun, 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 dun. Should we get a close up zoom in on their face as I'm touching this gouge? Zoom in. Zoom in the other one, the ball one. Let's get up.
Streamers go.